Hey guys, welcome back to the news Motorbike. Moto Guzzi has spent more than a century building motorcycles with personality. Since 1921, the Italian manufacturer has become famous for its signature transverse V-twin engines and unmistakable character. But in 2023, the company took a major leap into the future with the launch of the V100 Mandello S, the most technologically advanced Moto Guzzi ever built. Powered by a new 1,042 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled V-twin engine producing 113 horsepower and 77 pound-feet of torque, the V100 introduced features never before seen on a production Guzzi, including semi-active Öhlins suspension, a quickshifter, and even adaptive aerodynamics. It was modern, sophisticated, and surprisingly sporty. But what if Moto Guzzi pushed the concept even further? That's exactly the idea behind this incredible OEM Plus project from Dutch workshop Reset Cycles, which reimagines the V100 as a more focused and aggressive sport tourer. Rather than creating a radical bike, builder Charles Poelmans designed something that looks as if it could have rolled straight out of the Moto Guzzi factory. The active aerodynamic wings are gone, replaced by a cleaner front fairing with larger air intakes and a lower fixed cockpit cowl that gives the motorcycle a sharper and more purposeful stance. The TFT display now sits deeper inside the cockpit, while the handlebars have been lowered by 1 inch to create a sportier riding position. At the rear, the passenger seat has been replaced by a sleek seat cowl. Integrated turn signals disappear into the bodywork, and a shorter license plate bracket cleans up the entire tail section. Power still comes from the same 113 horsepower V-twin, now paired with a custom-built exhaust system that retains the original catalytic converter while delivering a deeper and more emotional soundtrack. If Moto Guzzi decides to bring a machine like this into production, a 2027 launch under the name V100 Mandello Sport doesn't seem impossible. And if that happens, expect it to challenge rivals like the Ducati Supersport 950S, BMW R1250 RS, and KTM Super Duke GT. Because sometimes the best new motorcycle isn't a completely new motorcycle at all. Sometimes it's simply the version enthusiasts wanted from the very beginning.